Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Hope RBI. In this particular lecture, I'm going to talk about all the sources which you need to refer to for the preparation of Commerce and Accountancy section for your SEBI Grade-A examination 2022. These sources are really very important and you will be able to easily understand the concepts of commerce and accountancy even if you are not from the commerce background. So hear me out, this video will be very important for you guys, and the first thing that you need to know about while preparing for this section is to cram each and every aspect of the syllabus. Cram the syllabus. I have already told you about this in various of my videos that you need to understand every aspect of the syllabus beforehand so that you would be able to sort out the things which are important and sort out the things which you need to skip. So it is very important, and after cramming the syllabus, after knowing each and every aspect of the syllabus, you move on to the sources. So your second step would be to follow the source. So the first source that you need to follow is a very beautiful playlist from IIT Bombay on YouTube. You have to just search accounts or accountancy NPTEL on YouTube, and you will find the very first result, that is a playlist from IIT Bombay known as Financial Accounting. This is a very good playlist. Even if you are not from the commerce background, you will be able to understand each and every aspect. And there are also some of the things given in this particular playlist which are not in your syllabus. So that is why you need to follow the syllabus first, and then after that you need to only study those things which are given in your syllabus from IIT Bombay playlist. And the second thing that you need to refer to is the most important playlist from IIT Mandi. There is a professor, Dr. Prem Singh, who who has the playlist of financial accounting. There is a YouTube channel which is it is under the YouTube channel NPTEL NOC IITM. So this is the channel, and the playlist is Financial Accounting by Dr. Prem Singh from IIT Mandi. You will be able to understand every concept, and there are some very good numericals which are given in both these playlists. But also you need to understand that you don't have to solve much complicated numericals. Don't go into the complicated numericals. You can watch the video only for the conceptual clarity by watching some of the complicated numericals, but you don't need to actually solve them. So you have to solve the numericals which are based on the simple concepts, which are based on the simple formula that you will be encountering while you are attending these lectures. So only those numericals are very important. Even if you see the last year paper, I've uploaded the last year examination, the last year question paper on my Telegram channel. Link will be in the description. So even if you see that, you will be able to understand that the numericals were not of very difficult level. They were of basic nature. They were of easy level. So that is why I'm emphasizing that. And the third thing that you need to know, that you need to refer to, is your most important source, that is NCERT books of accounts for 11th and 12th standards. These are very important books. These cover the basic things. Even if you don't, even if you are not able to understand anything from these two sources which I told you earlier, you can refer to the books of account, and it will be it will be an easy source for you, and it will cover comprehensively each and everything. But you need to understand as well that NCERT is covered with various things that are not included in your syllabus. So you have to understand that. You have to read only those things which are given in your syllabus from the NCERT as well. Don't waste the time in this particular subject. It is very easy. Once you understand the concept, once you understand how to form the ledgers, how to form the journals, how to make a trial balance, how to rectify any error in the balance sheet, or any error in particular account that you are making, and once you finally come to know about how to prepare the particular accounts, how to prepare the books of accounts, how to prepare the financial statements, you will be able to easily understand this particular subject, and you will encounter some of the very easy questions in the phase 2 regarding this particular subject. So it is very easy even if you are not from the commerce background. So that is it for today's video, and if you have any doubts still regarding this particular topic, regarding this particular video, you can obviously comment down in the comment section, and I will be happy to rectify all your queries. I will be happy to resolve all your queries. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please share this video and subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new videos, you will be able to get a notification out of it. So thank you so much. Have a great day.